Hello viewers. Today we will see how to use Keychain. I know it was introduced long days ago, but lots of people have no idea what is it or how to use it. Basically, iCloud Keychain can store your login ID and password and other secure information with end-to-end encryption and update it to all your device. iCloud Kitchen remember information like Safari username and password, Wi-Fi password, credit card details like this, and it will autofill so you don't need to remember it. To activate iCloud Kitchen from your iOS device, go to Settings, tap your name, select iCloud and tap Keychain, turn on iCloud Keychain. You might be asked your passcode or Apple ID password. To set up it from your Mac, Apple icon, System Preferences, click Apple ID, then from sidebar, click iCloud and check Keychain. Now if you open Safari and trying to sign up, it will automatically save your login ID and password. And also Safari can choose a strong passcode. Automatically it will save to iCloud Keychain. You don't need to remember it. Hope it is help you. Please like and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thank you.